Welcome back to Auto Motors, your ultimate destination for the latest two-wheeler news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Bajaj Dominar 400, a street beast that's back with fresh updates, refined performance, and that same muscular attitude we all love. Whether you're a touring enthusiast or a daily rider, this one's worth your attention. Design and styling. The 2025 Dominar 400 carries forward its aggressive design, now with subtle enhancements. The LED headlamp setup looks sharper, and the color schemes have been refreshed to give it a more premium appeal. Its beefy stance, sculpted fuel tank, and twin-barrel exhaust still scream road presence. Bajaj has maintained the sporty yet muscular DNA while polishing the overall aesthetics. Performance and engine specs. Under the tank, the Dominar 400 continues to house the proven 373.3 cubic centimeters single-cylinder DOHC engine, derived from KTM's 390 series. It delivers around 40 PS of power and 35 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch. The 2025 version is said to come with better engine refinement and optimized gear ratios for smoother touring and city rides alike. Features and technology. This year, Bajaj has focused on rider convenience and tech. The Dominar 400 now comes with updated navigation support through the secondary display, USB charging port, and improved Bluetooth connectivity. Dual-channel ABS remains standard, and the USD forks from the previous update ensure confident handling on highways and twisty roads. Ride and handling. Comfort remains a strong point for the Dominar. The split seat is well cushioned, and the suspension setup, USD forks at the front and monoshock at the rear, soaks up rough surfaces well. Whether you're cruising long distance or darting through city traffic, the Dominar continues to offer a balanced and planted ride. Final thoughts. At a competitive price point, the 2025 Bajaj Dominar 400 stands tall as one of the best value-for-money performance cruisers in its segment. With updated tech, proven performance, and bold styling, it's built for those who want a bit of everything. Outro. That's all for today on Auto Motors. Drop your thoughts about the new Dominar 400 in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bike updates and reviews. Ride safe and see you in the next one.